Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dave. Unfortunately, Dan couldn't be here today, but we have an opportunity to do something pretty freaking awesome. Let's go. All right, guys, so today we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna be shooting some PEWS. This guy I'm gonna throw on the spot right now.
What's going on, guys?
So, he doesn't know this. We're filming for YouTube right now.
What's going on?
What do we got here? What kind of stuff are we looking at?
All right, so we got an AR. This is a 6R AR. We got, this is actually just a 22 long. It's a GSG. Another 22 long, another SIG. We got my shotgun and a pistol AR. And several thousand rounds of ammo.
It's gonna be a fun day. We also have, I believe, what gauge is that? 12 gauge
pump action.
12 gauge pump action shotgun. Looks like we have a scoped rifle over there. And we also have some, oh, what are these over here? Here, take a look. A few handguns. Let's shoot some PEWs. Let's have some fun. So that's how you clear out a mag very, very fast. For those of you wondering, don't worry. We are being safe. Ear protection on, definitely. When you're shooting PEWs, have your ear protection. Make sure you're safe. Make sure you're always pointing gun down range and always walk behind your shooters. It's gonna be fun. I am so excited for this. Tannerite does.
Yeah.
So, remember, this is safe, okay? Load a mag round, pull this back, switch that to fire.
now everybody rush the camera. Right. 1, 2, 3, go.
What the fuck, David?
Come on, man.
All right, guys, so I think that's gonna wrap it up. I wanna give a huge shout out to this guy. He's my manager and one of my really good friends. Mike, thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it.
Great job.
Cool, thanks, Mike. All right, guys, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell on so you know every time we upload a video. And until next time, remember, do awesome, be awesome, and we will see you guys someplace. Peace out, guys.